Anyone at the potty?
Hey, do you wanna go potty? Do you wanna go potty? Cause Amaya's dad gonna go shower. No one's gonna enter the bathroom. Kenzie, you wanna go potty?
Need a pee?